Okay, let's go to page 301 and let's do the lesson 25.7. And this is called counting the wrong way. Counting the wrong way basically means you want to count what you don't want, because sometimes the problem can be too messy if you try to do it directly. So let's do example 25-12. Okay, so there are 54 members, Council for Security and Cooperation in Europe, and we should choose three members stay for different leadership positions. And the LRB decree that at least one of them, okay? So you got these 4 L nations, okay? Members. So again, if at least one, right? So whenever you deal with at least one, okay? Whenever you deal with at least one, you want to do the complement, okay? Because at least one, you can have one of these, one or this one, this one or this one, or this two, or this two, or this two, or you can have this two, or you can have this two, or you can have this two. So it'll be too complicated, okay? So what you want to do is you want to do none of them, okay? So do none. So do none of these, okay? So that means you're going to have, so that means, so none of, if you're going to choose none from these, right? That means you're going, so there would be, so it means you're going to choose, so there are 50 other members and you want to choose, so you want to choose combination, right? So it'd be 50, choose 3. So again, you want to choose 3 out of the other members. So again, there are total of 54, and you want to choose none from here. So that means you want to choose 3 members from the other 50 members, okay? And so when you do these, right? So when you're doing these, when you're choosing, and so when you're choosing 3, so basically what you have is, so to choose these, right? So first member you can choose would be 50, right? Okay, and then after that, the second member, and then after that, the next member would be 49, and the next one you can have choice would be 48, okay? Then after that, then we have to subtract this from the total. So the total would be 54, and actually this is a permutation, okay? So let's not do this. Okay, so just go and do it this way, okay? Because the 3 different leader pushes are different, so it's not common, it's a permutation, okay? But let's not worry about it right now. Let's just focus on this. So again, so first person, there are 50 choices, right? Okay, and the second one, we have 49 members to choose from, and then next one would be 48. Now the total would be 54, 53, and 52. Okay, and so this would be the numbers. So again, so when you deal with at least one, you want to do the complement, and then so do the one that you don't want. So do the one is none. So choose none from here. So there are 50, right? So 50, 49, 48. So once you figure out what you don't want, then you can subtract from the total, and that's how you get the answer.